For this page set, we're going to use a part of packaging from Seven Gypsies because I like the way this print was on here. We're going to go ahead and pop out the area where you're supposed to hang. We've got a two-sided 8x8 piece of ledger paper that we're going to use. Then we've got another piece of packaging. We have an envelope. We have a large journal card, a small journal card, a piece of the corrugated, and some more of the packaging that we cut up earlier. Some tissue paper. So let's get started here. So what we're going to do is this piece needs to be trimmed. So I'm going to get my paper trimmer out and I'm going to trim this off at the 8-inch mark. So we have this piece here where I've trimmed off the top. Next, what we're going to do is butt it up against this other piece that's the ledger paper and some of that washi tape that we made earlier. I'm going to peel this off of my wax paper and then I'm going to start at the top and go down the middle to help glue these together. We're going to trim off the excess from the top and the bottom. And then we're just going to put more wash of the tape that we made on the other side. And it's okay to even piece it together if you didn't have enough of the big pieces left. Just trim that off as well. We're going to score the ledger side of the paper. So I'm going to get my paper cutter lined up here. So I'm going to move this over to 5 1/4 inches and put my scoring tool to use that I just misplaced. Alright, so now we're going to score right here. And that's going to be where our page is folded. And then I'm going to go over here to the other side. I'm going to score it as well. And you can eyeball it. You don't have to score it. This is if you want to be precise with it. And this is going to be too deep of a pocket. So what I'm going to do is fold this over, about 1.5 inches and then crease that. So now when this is folded over and you have a pocket here, it's not too deep for your items inside. I've got this piece here that is from the packaging of some Seven Gypsies items. So I'm going to fold the tab over and we're going to get a piece of paper to put inside here. Alright, so I've got a little piece that was left over from another project. So I'm just going to line this up and I'm going to take my scissors and trim it to fit. And I want it to come down just below where the opening is here. So I'm going to trim this piece on the back as well. And then I'm going to take a stapler and just staple this together. So I want to make sure that I am grabbing that white piece of paper, and it's on there. And we have a piece of string here. And what we're going to do is this is going to go through this topper and through this hole, and you can tie it into a loose, what I call a tag tie. So you just grab those two ends and you make a little knot, and then this will swing on that page so you can use it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this piece down, and then we're going to put glue across the top to the fold and across the bottom to the fold, and fold this over. I'm going to use my paper clips to hold this in place while that glue is drying. Alright, so now I have this piece of tissue paper that I want to use, and you can choose to rip it so you have a jagged edge, or you can leave it straight. And what I'm going to do is line this up. You can also use your paper cutter. In fact, I'm going to do that just so that it's easier. This should be 6 by 12, and I'm going to trim this to be 8 inches tall. And we'll save this piece for later on in the journal. So now that I've got this piece, what I'm going to do is fold it in half. If I slide it over my page like so, then I know that's where it's going to fit. So you can choose to rip this to give it a jagged edge, or you can leave it smooth. And I'm going to leave it smooth for this time. And I have just some simple glue stick. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to put a bead of glued stick right where I want this tissue paper to be adhered. You're going to work quickly, so you want to make sure that you have enough of a glue stick to be able to do this. Then usually a new one's a good idea to start with. And then I'm just going to smooth this over. Now we're going to flip this over, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. I don't worry about the excess glue stick if it goes beyond where my tissue is, because when it dries, it doesn't remain sticky. So you don't have to worry about things sticking to your page. Alright, so now let's start getting some items put together here. So we're just going to put this little envelope inside the pocket, and you can choose to put more things inside. This little piece here is just big enough to mat with one of the packaging pieces. So we're going to glue these together. I'm going to leave a little bit of a border on the left and the right. It won't be much on the top and the bottom, but it's a little bit on the left and the right. The next thing I'm going to do is I want this to be a tuck spot on here. So I'm just going to put a little bead of glue right across the top. It's probably about 1/4 of an inch wide there. And I want to press this into place on top of the tissue side. Wipe away any excess glue. And if you need to, you can even put something heavy on top of that to hold it in place. We're going to take this other little piece and one of these journal cards, and we're going to put a little bead of glue down the side, like so. And we're going to adhere that on top of this little journal card. Now, if you want, before you adhere this on here, you can apply distressed inks. You could spray it with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, stencil on it, whatever you so choose. But for the purpose of this 101 junk journal, this is just all about attaching pieces together. Look at things around your home, old packaging for ephemera pieces. And then this is going to slide under here. I'm not going to push it all the way until that glue is dry. Alright, I almost forgot this little guy. I'm going to need to use him next. So this is a piece of clear plastic that has fuzz on it. So I'm going to get my spray box out. And let's see what we can spray this with. This is really one of my favorite colors. It's Curious by Tattered Angels. And what we're going to do is spritz that on here. And I'm really saturating it so it gets into the flocked portion. And then I'm going to use a paper towel just to blot it. And that'll pick up the excess. Oh, I didn't wait long enough. Alright, you gotta let it sit for a moment. You can use a heat tool to dry, but you don't want to blot it because it'll pull it right off the flocking. So I'm going to use a heat tool and barely touch over the top of this. I'm not going to hold it in place because I do not want the plastic to melt. I'm just going to flip this over and pat it to the mop-up paper to help get rid of some of that excess on there. And I'll just lightly use my paper towel. So as you look to it with the flocked pieces. And I should have put this down first on the other side. So I'm going to try to sneakily remove this piece because I should have put the circle down first. So what I'm going to do is position this on the other side, and then I'm going to put 2 little staples in it because this is another tuck spot, and then I'm going to adhere this piece on the other side. So don't adhere this first. I'll put a note in the video And then we'll put this right back over the top. And that will cover up those staples so you don't see them. And let's look into... Alright, I've got a little piece of this fabric paper again that I've used in other pages. And it's just a little piece left over. I think it would be pretty just kind of stick it right here. And then I think what I want is... Let's look at these images. Ah, here's one with the swan on the front. I like that one. So I'm going to just cut it out from the packaging. I'll trim this down. And let's just kind of mat it on top of the other one. So I'm just going to put a little glue on here and stick that down. And then this piece will slide under here. There is our journal page now. So we've got a tuck spot on the front. Under this little disc, we use some tissue paper. On the inside, we've got another little tuck spot with a journal card that'll go here. We've got a little pocket on this side that we've just put an envelope in. We've attached this little tag portion that you can write upon here and here. And then we're going to remove these. And then there is the back side. So you can write on here and you can see that washi tape as well. All right. Well, that is one more page made for our junk journal. Stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you need help on something, just say so, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Check out the Facebook group as well so that you can post updates on what you're doing and also get inspiration of what everybody else is doing as well. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel because I also have a lot of free tutorials as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.